This is my first time to drive a bicycle. फैंसी बाजार पे आ गया है। हम लोग फैंसी बाजार से निकल रहा है। Why this coca berry day? Today I'm not going to show you. Come on, let's go for a ride. So finally guys, we are arrived at a beautiful place, feeling like heaven. Oh, what a beautiful river. This means to pass the gate we need 3 rupees per head, and then to cross this river it takes like half hours. Okay, you're free to take in your vehicle too. आप आपको गाड़ी में अंदर ला सकते हैं और अपना पार्टनर के साथ आ सकता है। आ जाओ विजिट करो। वाओ, व्हाट अ क्यूटी रिवर। सो वहाँ पे आप भी विजिट कर सकता हूँ। इट इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द फेमस प्लेस in the world because of the the smallest island. So whenever you're out for, you can kindly visit in this place. And then it is located near Fancy Bazaar, Guwahati, Assam. It is a beautiful place, and you can see it many kind of beautiful things, beautiful beach, and then beautiful river. And it is also one of the biggest river corner. Scary happening, but no worry guys. So right now I'm on the top of this boat. You can look it from here. Like more than 100 people are gathered in this spot to cross this river. And then here you can see it. So there is the main entrance gate to come in. The sun is about to set. Going home. It's almost going home, son. Okay, that is the Umananda Island, the smallest river island in the world, located in the midst of Brahmaputra River. It is the smallest